Hello and welcome to Monitor Malware Attack. Now in this video we are going to take a look at a couple of points. We are going to learn about what is malware attack and then how we can detect it inside Wireshark that I'm going to show you inside this video. So what you can do here, you can simply start Wireshark and then I'm going to show you that how you can perform it. So guys, the condition is very simple. The scenario is very simple. We have virus inside Windows 10 machine and that virus is basically scanning other machines. For example, if it is performing ping scan to any server, right? So how we can detect that if the virus is actually performing ping scan and it is inside our system, right? Because generally virus hide their processes, but this is just a demo that I'm going to show you. So I'm going to create a simple virus and I'm going to create it using batch programming. So what you can do here, you can simply start a notepad. Here it is, right? Because generally what happens when virus send data to other machines, first of all, they perform ping scan. They want to check if the target system is live or not. If target system is live, then they send the data, right? So we want to check that if our machine is pinging the other machine or not, right? So let me create a simple virus, which is basically the condition is the virus is going to ping the servers, right? So let me type here echo space off and then let me create a loop here, repeat. And what I'm doing, I'm pinging a website. So which website? And you need to provide the IP address here. So let me open command prompt and inside that let me type the website ping space www.vulnerweb.com, hit enter. This is the IP address. Let me simply paste here, right? Hit enter and then type go to repeat. This is a simple virus and the work of a virus is to ping this web server again and again and again, right? It won't stop until you stop the process. Now you can simply save it. Let me click on file, let me click on save. Let me save it on desktop. The name will be, for example, virus.bat, right? On the desktop, click save and close it. And if you have antivirus or defender running inside your system, so for a moment you can disable them so that we can run this practical. So this is basically the virus. This is the bat file. When you will double click on it, it will start ping scan to that particular system. Now, first of all, let me open Wireshark. Let me start the capturing process again. So click here and click continue without scanning. Minimize it and you can simply double click here. So let me double click here and here you can see that it has started ping scan. It is not going to stop. You can see here that second time, third time and so on. Got it? So generally virus do this kind of process background, but this is a demo, so that's why I'm showing you. Alright, now let me minimize it. Let me go back to Wireshark. So you can see here that there are many ICMP packets are there. Basically this is an indication that someone is flooding you or someone is basically scanning you, right? There are two ways to detect these kind of packets. Now let me simply stop the scanning process and let me close this. All right. Now if you look at the protocol, then you will see there are various ICMP packets are there. In the pink color you can see ICMP packets are there. Otherwise you can also type here ICMP and you can see here that there are various packets available regarding ICMP. It means someone is scanning inside our network. Now who is scanning? Basically scanning source is your machine because you have no idea, you are not scanning it, it is automatically doing. So it means that your system is infected. Someone is trying to perform scanning through your machine, right? Or we can also say it a bot. So your machine is a bot and your machine is trying to scan other machine. This is your source IP address. You can double click here. So you can see here that this is a ping request, echo ping, right? And you can get information about the data, etc. But you can see here that you are simply pinging scan, reply request, reply request, reply request, and so on. It means this is not a basic network packets. This is basically called scanning or flooding the target machine, right? And who is doing it? basically the virus which is inside your machine. So that's how you can detect that there is a malware or a virus inside my machine, right? I need to remove it, right? Then you can simply run antiviruses or anti-malware inside your system, and then you can clean your PC. If we talk about the section summary, then in this section we have learned about DOS and DDoS attack, port scanning attack, phishing attack, vulnerabilities inside website, encrypted traffic, and then finally malware attack. So this is all about this section. In the next section, we are going to learn that how to perform troubleshooting using Wireshark.